Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix internet time sync not working. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows Time Service, change startup type to automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, stop space, W3 2 time. Type W32TM space, /unregister. Type W32TM space, /register. Type exit. Third method is type control panel in Windows search bar, click control panel. Click date and time. Click internet time, click change settings. Change to other server, click OK. Third method is open any browser. Copy URL from description and paste it. Click download NIS time 32-bit. Open downloaded file. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.